Click on the link below to get price. The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and leisure rides. With a peak power of 700 W, this e-bike delivers impressive performance on various terrains, whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising through city streets. One of the standout features is the 7-speed gear system, which allows for smooth and effortless transitions between gears. This is particularly beneficial when navigating different inclines, as it gives riders the flexibility to choose their preferred level of exertion. The step-through design is another significant advantage, making it accessible for riders of all ages and physical abilities. Getting on and off the bike is a breeze, which adds to its overall convenience. The bike's build quality is commendable. Made from durable materials, it feels sturdy and reliable. The comfort-focused design includes a well-padded seat and ergonomic handlebars, ensuring a pleasant ride even on longer journeys. The suspension system effectively absorbs bumps and uneven surfaces, providing a smooth experience that enhances rider enjoyment. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any electric bike, and the MOONCOOL does not disappoint. With a decent range on a single charge, it allows for extended rides without the constant worry of running out of power. The bike also features a smart battery management system, which helps prolong battery life and ensures reliability. Safety features are well thought out, with responsive disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power, even in wet conditions. Integrated lights enhance visibility during nighttime rides, adding an extra level of safety. In conclusion, the MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults combines power, comfort, and safety in a stylish package. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this e-bike stands out as a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience. It truly embodies the essence of modern electric biking, making it a worthy contender in the market.